What is the history of the Obriy company? Just a few years ago, we designed unmanned aerial vehicles on our own. It was a really captivating technical challenge. We equipped our drones with photo and video devices to take bird's-eye view stunning photographs. Today, we're engaged in scientific and commercial aerial photography, and we introduce some of our technologies and know-how. Creation of orthophoto plans. We have two photographs of the road junction. The first photo is taken in a classical way, just a photo from above, and the second one is made up of a number of photographs, an orthophoto plan. What's the difference between them? The former can be used to be admired of or as a survey photo. The latter is a mathematically precise object, a measuring device, the instrument in construction, geodesy, and cartography. If the survey photo is used for measurements, optical distortions take place. The closer to the edges, the bigger the distortions. The orthophoto plan lacks it. Any areas of the same length in nature will be equal in the orthophoto plan. This technology enables us to make linear and area measurements, having errors of several centimeters in the area of dozens of square kilometers, sometimes hundreds of square kilometers. Such precision corresponds to demands of the 500th scale of maps and photo plans. Photo plans that we've created are being used in road construction, architecture, and civil engineering. Creation of 3D terrain models. The technology, which the Obry owns, enables us to create a 3D image of an area or architectural structure. The image becomes three-dimensional and dynamic. It can be used to model objects in construction, to calculate volumes, to combine models of future buildings and structures. The applied natural texture makes a 3D model as vivid as a real photograph. The 3D models, which we create, enable us to get three coordinates, x, y, and z of any point of an area or architectural object. Creation of elevation maps. An elevation map is a map of terrain where terrain heights are color-coded. The first glance at the map allows to easily determine the features of the terrain, microterrain, and their important nuances. We use this technology to search for unknown archaeological monuments. An elevation map makes it possible to build a system of isolines, which connect the points of the same height in the map. Panoramic photo and video aerial survey. Spherical panoramas. When developing new applications of unmanned aerial vehicles, we improve panoramic aerial photo and video shooting. That's what was at the beginning of the history of the Obriy. The company makes photo and video shooting of long objects such as roads, highways, pipelines, power supply lines, etc., to create a detailed and precise photo-video image of the object. That's to create a detailed document having zooming and geodetic connection to each part of the object. The company is involved in the creation of spherical panoramas as well. It's a special kind of activity. What can one aerial photography depict? An area. Two photographs, two areas, etc. You must admit that it's not reasonable to look at a number of photos if all the information about the space under the aerial vehicle can be in one photo, in one spherical panorama having high resolution and zooming. Using the computer mouse or notebook sensor panel, you can rotate the sphere of the space photographed, zoom it, and study details, and no dead area or black spot. By the way, spherical panoramas allow creating 3D tours, cities, industrial objects, extended terrain areas, etc. One more activity is spherical video, or Video 360, or VR video. The company's experts design and produce equipment for spherical video filming to take photos on the ground and with drones. In addition to well-known technologies which have been put into practice, our company is developing new perspective directions, application of unmanned aerial vehicles in agriculture. The most interesting direction is sustainable agriculture. The technologies include the Index NDVI using drones as well as point application of bioactive liquids using unmanned aerial vehicles, sprayers. Unmanned aerial vehicles have become our profession. Fascinating profession. Dealing with these exciting devices, we discover new perspectives of their application. It amazes us with performance, and we're sure that our products will impress both potential investors and specialists in various industries.